Talk later.
Hello? Can we talk later?
Talk later.
Can we talk later? Means not now, please. You use this when you don't want to talk right now.
I don't want to get involved.
Want to get involved.
I don't 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 want to get involved. Means I don't want trouble. You use this when you don't want to join a situation or a problem.
Do you know where we are?
Do you even know where we are?
Do you 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 know where we are? Means are you lost too? You use this when you are not sure about your location.
Space. Give me some space.
Space!
Give me some space.
Just give me some space.
Give me some space. Means leave me alone. You use this when you want to be alone.
Stop thinking about her.
I can't stop thinking about her.
I can't stop thinking about her.
I can't stop thinking about her.
Stop thinking about her.
I can't stop thinking about her. Means she's always in my thoughts. You use this when someone is always on your mind.